Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 9th to 13th February 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 3.86% positive move, 4965.83 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body, with a big lower body and a medium upper body. If I talk about upper wick, and if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 65-75 levels, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, you can see a good important support and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will teach you how to do trading on any platforms that you want to trade. Currently, if I talk about the closing, 49.65 is the closing. The direct support is 49.40. Direct resistance is 5,000. After direct support, there is a support of 48.95 and then 48.35. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 50.51 and then 51.01. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared platform links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 48.95 to 49.40. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range for this week in gold USD. But if you are going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 5,000 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, and you can go for a long till 50-50 and even 5100. So these are some levels which will help you to take better trades. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.